In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix duration issues in a Smartsheet project sheet. If your durations are not calculating the way you expect or your timeline looks off, the good news is that this is usually caused by just a few settings. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to review the sheet carefully and make sure everything is set up correctly so the duration updates properly. Start by opening your Smartsheet project sheet. Give the sheet a quick visual review so you can identify which rows or tasks seem to have incorrect duration values. This helps you stay focused as you go through the checks. Next, confirm that dependencies are enabled in the sheet. In Smartsheet, duration calculations often rely on dependency settings, especially when task relationships and scheduling rules are involved. If dependencies are turned off, the sheet may not behave like a true project plan, and durations or dates may not update as expected. After that, check the start date and end date columns. Make sure these columns are correctly assigned and functioning as actual project date columns. If the wrong columns are being used or if the dates are entered in an invalid format, Smartsheet may not be able to calculate duration correctly. Take a moment to verify that the dates shown make sense based on the task schedule. Then review the duration column itself. This is important because the column type needs to be set properly for project calculations. If the duration column is using the wrong type, Smartsheet may treat the values like plain text instead of scheduled task durations. That can prevent the sheet from updating automatically and can lead to confusing results. Once that looks good, review any predecessors connected to the tasks. Predecessors control how one task affects another, so an incorrect predecessor can easily create duration problems or scheduling conflicts. Look for anything that seems inconsistent, such as tasks linked in the wrong order or relationships that don't match the intended workflow. If you notice invalid dates or dependency errors, go ahead and correct them. Even one date that falls outside the expected sequence can throw off your timeline. The same goes for broken dependency logic. Cleaning up those errors helps restore accurate scheduling behavior across the sheet. Finally, save the sheet and confirm that the duration updates. After saving, check the affected rows again and make sure the values now reflect the correct timeline. If everything was configured properly, the duration should recalculate based on the dates and task relationships you reviewed. That's it. By checking dependencies, date columns, duration settings, predecessors, and any visible errors, you can usually resolve duration issues quickly and get your project sheet back on track.